Una good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name na Maurice Safa, popularly known as Toro Gundo Sabra. Well, we dey pan round 2 because the National Electoral Commission, where they call them the Yuki Commission, they work together with APC for force this election here so for go pan runoff. Yuki Commissioner Chairman, Commissioner Conte, and the other commissioners then work together, do all kind of Yuki, so that this election will go into a runoff. As a matter of fact, Yuki Commissioner Conte, even begin with honesty. He begin for tell the whole world for say, APC then they ready for kill them, then they ready for kill in people them, if make them win this election here so. And then he talks say, if they want, if you want to make them save in life, at least make you run out, make you put them into a runoff. Now that make we dey pan this now, the runoff. But the whole world see for say na SLPP and Madadio been win this election first round. Anyway, now they would don't dey now. But APC know for say they know they win this one here so. So, what did they not do now? APC supporters all around the world, all around social media, they don't go back to them number one problem for thief election. The number one out of the number 99 where they talk about, the number one na tribalism. Now end up being the first strategy where they be used for divide and conquer this country also. Now APC bring tribalism now all man in mind at this country because they make people they feel to say, if they born you in the northern province, you for support APC. You for vote APC. You for be APC member. Because they make people feel to say APC in another party. Wrong, wrong, wrong. APC became out of another party called PNP, People's National Party. Make I tell you what happened. 1957, the colonial government run an election, 1957 election, where SLPP win. This election also, the colonial government may allow them so that we Salo people go learn how to run a government now after independence. So that make they be make that election in 1957. Now, Sir Albert Magai and Shaka Stephen then been there against the government, the SLPP government, although they been part of it. So they come out of the government and then they form their own party, where they call the People's National Party, PNP. But what happened? They talk to them for make them, they beg them for make them come back to SLPP. Albert Magai, he come back because his brother had been put pressure upon him. Samuel T. Magai. Shaka Stephen, he remain na the PNP party. Because they hope say that PNP party now he go develop into a real opposition party to SLPP. But that not be. So when the party don't defunct under Shaka Stephen, now he ban him. Now he cancel him. Now that time they form APC. So in fact APC come out of PNP. Now, like how I said, PNP, now Shaka Stephen and Albert Magai, now they form them. They're all two Southerners. Albert Magai from Bonth, Shaka Stephen is a now from Moyamba. So you see, my people them, APC not to a northern party, not to the north, then creator. APC now actually, technically speaking, now a southern party because of them two people that we form them. Okay, so the history of APC that. But all this time here, so APC they think for don't make people they think for say, oh now a northern party you and only belong to northerners, and then they don't bring this business here so for say SLPP now a southern party, now Mendeman party or whatever. Now APC bring this idea so now that country day. Tribalism not been there under SLPP, the first two SLPP governments them. Tribalism not been there. The cabinet, the SLPP cabinet, be made up of people then from all around the country. In fact, there began more Creole people than inside SLPP government. There began more northern people than inside SLPP, then to SLPP governments then, than Southeasterners who say SLPP really get them mean support. Anyhow, since this runoff don't begin, APC people, they don't put kerosene now upon tribal fire in a burn. Any side you turn up, then they talk about Mende and Madabio, Kono and Samsumana, KKY and Madingo, Kamaremba and Timni. Now that no more, they all around APC, them forums them. Because they know for say that they lost this election here so. They know for say, but this round one, SLPP get more voters than. Now the north, we say all the other tribes then they we vote for APC, we vote for KKY, NGC, we vote for ADP and so on. They're all the same people and they vote for SLPP. And this time here so, since Tijan Kaba in government, since that time this is not the first time again SLPP don't get a large amount of vote from the north. So the people in the north don't care about tribalism. Yes, some day we care about the party, but when King Korobs don't take them from them now, we don't snatch the party away from the rank and file. Now that means most people in the north now, themselves, don't come out of the party or they pull their support behind the party. Not because of tribalism. Instead, that is the old APC strategy for divide and conquer. Now that they don't begin for born inside the internet now. But APC, we for look pan then policy and governmental and process of governance. They don't want let we talk about that too. They themselves not they talk about governance. Pan this election, pan this phase one, round one, what we been do? Where they go campaign? Una be here, Samura Kamara and Indadi Koroms. They talk about what they can't do? No. Right now, as you listen to what they talk, you go remember anything that you mind where you go say, now this Samura Kamara been say they do if he become president. Nothing. They not be they talk about policy. They not be they talk about what they can't do. In fact, when now in Daddy Koroms been they take them around, now Koroms been they talk about the fact that and they can't left the government now. We for practice democracy. King Koroms. Now not be the shame they talk that. King Koroms. You. Well, let me talk about what you don't do. At least just a summary, small number. In fact, they pick up from 2009 no more. 2009, APC, then go attack SLPP headquarters in Salud, rape woman then they. Waiting you, King Koroms been do, when they talk about democracy now. when they talk about civil rights now, wetin you been do, pandat, you been prosecute that crime day, wey APC been do? No. Now you talk about democracy. And the people them, the SLPP wey would have burn the buildings there, they not get right for that democratic principle there. Now that you want for say, or the woman the way they been raped, they don't get right for get addressed with democratic rights. Come on, King Koros, why they fool? Not to that APC they do. APC not to a democratic organization, not to a democratic party, not a bing party, not a violent party, not a corrupt party. So all of a sudden now, when they go around with Samura, instead of for me you talk about what Samura you can't do, you talk about yourself, what you don't do. Anyway, King Korobs and APC, and they talk say APC they practice tribal and vendetta politics. Now what are they practice? Tribal and vendetta politics. Let me tell you what that means. The tribal politics, so we all know. Because una APC don't make now people for say if they been at the north, you forbid APC. No. Like I don't talk about. APC na a southern party. Now SLPP na the national party. SLPP. Now three organizations they form. I think they all people know that 1951. The PEPU, the Protectorate Education Progressive Union, PEPU, PEPU, the SOS, the Sierra Leone Organization Society, and the PP, People's Party. Now that three organizations then been formed SLPP. Now they three get together in 1951. And all three organizations been get membership all around the country, especially PEPU. PEPU, the Protectorate Education Progressive Union, that one they be made up of people them, elites them, I would say, educated people them all around you, including paramount chiefs them. The SOS that be largely of northern people. Now that means sometimes some northern people that they think to say, well, SLPP now only northern as the former. No. SLPP as it is called, in 1951 the former, and now just then three organizations that been merged together for former. Then the third organization, where the PP, the People's Party, then on a Freeton self is it begin. Now Freeton it begin. Now a Creole man, now he beginner. Alright? Then all three get together for form SLPP. Now that make SLPP na a national party. Today when they see it composed of everybody around the country, every tribe around the country. Now that make SLPP not sabi for practice tribalism. They not go able. Look at the executive right now, where SLPP gets. Look at the past cabinet structure where SLPP be not get. Going back to Sam Milton in time, Albert Bagai in time, Tijan Kaba in time. All now a cabinet will compose of all Sierra Leoneans, all regions, all tribes, all districts. But APC, una they promote tribalism and regionalism. Anytime where they canvas, where they make people they feel to say, oh, that Timbis then own, Northerners that they own APC and Southeasterners they own SLPP. No, not to say it. So back I come to tribal and vendetta politics. That are the tribal side where I don't talk. The vendetta politics, 2009, like how I say, APC attack SLPP offices. Born and rape woman there. Vendetta politics. Again, last year, 2017, I think una go remember. APC been go attack SLPP office again. But all the attacks them, rape and everything, APC don't ever prosecute any APC crime. Instead, now the victim they go arrest, lock them in jail. Where are the the propaganda people them they talk say, Pa Koroma, King Koroms, he not left no political prisoner, he not kill nobody. Really? Now because they mean they bail them out. But don't forget, they not be they arrest people there. If they not be able to get them bail them out, like they not load up the inside Pademba Road, when they go around, they talk, say, oh, King Koroms, he did not leave political prisoners. Oh, yeah? SLPP, not a political opponent to APC. Not to SLPP, they would have be not arrest. Somebody like Dr. Abbas Bundu, would have not arrest them, would have bring a 20-year-old charge Panam. If they not been pull and if they not been bail them out, like you know they in jail, now they talk, say King Koroms, you know, let nobody. Now we una they forget. Now that make we not they forget too. We not they forget. Vendetta politics. Okay. Then we come to the removal of Vice President Sam Sumana. Illegally done. This the man will be fair money for APC in 2007 for make them run the election. Sam Sumana, that's in America, or it just don't in America, they go back and forth. Now he can raise funds in America for APC. I say he raised over $70,000 for the party. That time we will not get money. That time King Koroms they come back and forth to America for fundraising. And then in New Jersey. Now they're the biggest organization of APC day. I know them. We all not party them, me and them. We dey talk civilized politics. We can meet, we talk civilized politics. We not dey fight we self. We not dey even cause we self. Now America also. APC and me, SLPP, we can talk, we can meet, talk politics. We're not able to do that without fight. Anyhow, Sam Sumana get una the money, we make una go through the election. And I will say una win them, because una not win them. Now Christian Top give una that 2007 election. Okay. So why all of a sudden King Koroms grab, remove the man illegally? In fact, would have not just remove him, would have been one killer. Vendetta politics. Would have been one killer. Now God make it escape, go to Ghana. Man, we don't make una even able for contest. Vendetta politics. Okay. When he go na court, the Koroma court, then fend him for Koroma. Until the West Africa court don't fend him now for the man. And you, Koroms, you don't make Salon government, Salon people, they owe Sam Sumana $250 million. Me people them. We all owe that money they owe, not to Koroma. Because Sam Sumana been go against Sierra Leone versus Sam Sumana. So that we all owe Sam Sumana that 250 million or so. We're not ready for that. If God make money then a government, we're able for pay, then go pay them. They're supposed for pay them. Because you don't win. Vendetta politics of APC. So let me come up from Sam Sumana and your issue now. Let's go to KKY. And by the way, before I the other day say Victor Foe. Victor Foe of all people grab, he go with that Imbelede over to Sam Sumana. And they try for ask her for make Sam talk to Kono people them for make them vote for him. Really? But Victor? Really? Vindictive people like Una APC people, Una not go ever do that if the business be there the other way around. APC, Una vindictive people like Una, violent people like Una. Sometimes you be for saying you talks them, but Sam Sumana, if they come to you after that kind of occasion, they for where they ask her for make them vote for you. Sometimes you be for saying you talks them for make them bitter. Now they kind of thing they would not good for APC. Anyhow, let me go to KKY. But I swear to God, APC would not get shame. Would not ashamed. When just about 2 weeks ago, when I then a court with KKY, when they try for stopper, for making not run as president, for making party not even a contest. Now when they grab now, they go to KKY for make it tell in people them for vote for APC and this runoff. I don't know. APC I not believe in that. Nobody not go believe in that. Nobody not go believe in that. You try for destroy the man. You try for destroy a political party. You try for stop him. All of a sudden you bring this what do you call SIM 2 business. Where you don't they use SIM 2 people them all through the 10 years where you be not be president na salon. Now SIM 2 man them be there now you cabinet today. In fact, people then they talk say Samura. Now SIM 2 man. Tell now people that they talk that they say Samura Kamara he get British citizenship. But you know what thing? I know say now that make Samura you know they talk. Now that make you know they talk. Now you they do in talking. Now you they pass around with them like a Peking. You they go to Bab and talk for them. Oh, and they can't come out now. When I vote for Samura, now they left. Kick rooms. And no say you don't capture APC from the real APC people. We don't say you don't succeed for do that because now they give you the party for life. But APC different from the rest of the country. Make I tell you that. The way APC they think, not also the rest of we they think. Nobody if now that make we don't make sure for say you don't even come for the third time. You don't even hopefully you don't go even rule one day beyond after they declare Madabio on March 27. Anyhow, vendetta politics of APC with KKY. And when not they shame, they can't be ask the man in supporters therefore make them come vote for you. I hear some other one they talk nonsense for say, oh well, APC, the man left SLPP. Yes, just like how when they talk, now left, he left. He decide all man get the right for form, what they want for form. All man get the right for date, now the party where they want for day. That is true. KKY now he choose for go form your party, fine. Or not for SLPP push him out. He said, listen to him speech when he been give when they left. He said things don't work out. The way they expect, no work out. That's right. That is what I refer to as civilized politics. We not get that kind of character, the APC. We not being politicians, boast politicians, violent politicians, attack politicians. Cause politicians. Now that APC sabi. And killer politicians. Oduya, we not disrespect the man. We not disrespect the man in supporters for say we not go through the length and breadth for kick the man out of EO rights for run as for presidency. We not go through every nit and nat for do that. And then he tell in people that for can't vote for una. I get for see that first. But I know for say KKY people them now some of the most intelligent Sierra Leoneans around the world. So that I don't get for talk about that stuff. They know what they do. Now when they waste one attempt. And besides, remember, KKY Nabi SLPP. His supporters, they just follow him. Because they like him. Now that make them go with him. Some not hate SLPP. They just like the man. And you expect them for can't vote for APC? Bona do ya. Vendetta politics. Mr. Cameron ADP flag bearer. What you don't do to her? What you don't do to her? Excuse me language, but they say we are not go they throw away kakapa in us. By office where they go spread kakapa now. I wonder would have been you know dude do that doodle. America would they call her doodle. I don't know. Would have been do the doodle. We would have take and go spread up on the my house. Would I not do that to them? Who's kind of disrespect that? What's some degradation that we want to degrade the man? Like say you not a salon person, like say you not a decent person. Then that not be enough for una would have go burn down the man he us. But APC, una sabi burn bridges past any political party where I don't see. Una sabi burn una bridges with all other party them, all other people them, all opponents them. Una sabi burn bridge. Una sabi for be a friendly party. So that one day, KKY people then know what they for do. But one thing we know is then are SLPP. You ask them, or most of them they would say, me na be SLPP. So for say now, because of the runoff, they go support APC. But we not use una aid. But anyhow, the people them vendetta politics. Oh, I didn't forget one thing about the Kono people. When they go, Victor Ford they go to that man. Where the Kono mayor would have been pulled by illegal means again. Tell like say, we not just use and abuse and drop Kono people there. Now that we not do APC, and now we have the thing to say, people they not go remember that within this short period of time now. So they will come now during the runoff, vote. If Kono people they go vote for APC, Kono people they go vote for UDA. What is that this man here in name? This radio personality. Sorry, man. We be there on this famous radio program. We not lock that man day up. APC. Tambayo. We not lock up Tambayo. But you know, it surprised me, Tambayo, I swear to God. You, Dr. Tambayo, you surprised me. I don't know who's can sacrifice you go sacrifice for get what you want. It look like say you they rule you over your principles for get what you want. You can do anything for get what you want. APC lock you up. We na SLPP now we begin for talk for you. That time when you dey jail. APC now they be lock you up. So that when you been there in jail, you don't be know who that been lock you up. Now be APC yeah, in case you don't know. And they tell you today, Tambayo, now you they go to Kono, you they go advocate for APC, you they become counselor for APC. Dr. Tambayo. Come on, Doc. Come on, Doc. Come on, have some principles, man. Please. Exercise some degree of moral values. Let the world know that you do stand your own personal moral values. Because that's what makes a man. Tambayo, now you go back to APC. Why you not stay as at least a neutral person? Even if you don't want for join SLPP or other party then. But for me, if me not be you, APC na the last party na this world here so, where I go join, where I go support, where I go advocate for. Me. Make I tell you one story quick. Karamo Kaba, you sabi am. Na from Kono. Talk to Karamo Kaba. But me, Maurice Afa, Toro Gondo Sagba, talk to Karamo Kaba how APC been called me and him on a worldwide conference in 2007 where the APC been asked for make PMDC support them. I not do them. I reject them. Now that time they Karamo Kaba accept. When I ask him, I know say he know. Me principle, I know they overrule them for any other interest. Trust me. A whole PhD, a whole doctor. Now you APC Boto Bata like so, and then you turn around and you lick them boots. Dr. Bayo. Anyway. Vindictive politics for APC. Now that then they do. Now that they're good for. Vindictive tribal politics. Vindictive regional politics. Now APC good for. And of course, then get the UK Electoral Commission headed by UK Commissioner Conte. So me people them. All Salon would have go vote for SLPP, do ya? If you vote for APC, you dey vote for the same backwardness for the next 5 years. Now that you dey go vote for. Now so you want for make Salon be the way Salon done dey now for the past 10 years. Now that you want? You want for support violence? Because that APC they do. And just because you born at the north, like I don't talk, I know for say you don't hear what I talk. APC not a northern party. If that Koroma they don't make you feel for say you for vote APC just because you're not a northerner. No, I don't tell you. Now Albert Magai and Shaka Stephen born na Moyamba, Albert Magai born na Banff. Now they form the first party, whether be PNP, out of which APC they come out. But whatever be the case, even beside the original party, whether PNP, the two men they wait from are not Southerners. So we not forget that. use the principles of government. You look at what government they do. Look what the SLPP don't do every time they in a power. Use that for go vote for SLPP. SLPP now we bring independence. SLPP now we stop the 11-year war we been bleed the country to death. SLPP would get a multiple tribal, multiple regional members for them inside the cabinet. SLPP, tribal business not the sharp the way it can be under APC. So do you have me people there? Vote for Make Salone better. Vote for SLPP. Vote for Madabio during the runoff. Not vote for backwardness. Not vote for violence. Not vote for hatredness. Not vote for division. Not vote for people them will not care for you. APC set and ready for turn this country back to one party dictatorship. I say Kuruma na a good admirer of the Chinese leader. They say they very recently done the Chinese leader president for life. In fact, I say Kuruma been go themselves on the celebrations. Now that Kuruma want for turn SLPP into a one-party state. And under one-party state, no ADP no go there, no SLPP no go there, no C4C no go there, no NGC no go there, no party no go there. Now that one-party state mean you either vote for the one party or you not vote. Now that be happen. Now that be happen when Shaka Stephen been bring that one party state. APC one party government. Now that been happen. They invalidate all the other parties. The SLPP not been exist again. You vote for SLPP, then they put you in a jail. Now so it been be. Now that Kuruma want for bring back. Now that one I want. Now that you want for you picking them, for your woman them. Education not there in the country. Look the tribal politics where Kuruma play. FBC today now a dust village. Why? Kuruma left them. Baba Ode, Premier University. Kuruma left them. He go build his own university in Namakeni. The regional politics. Not of for say APC not be big enough for get students there. Not of that be happy. At least they before expand the departments then, the the educational processes then before just expand that. Because after all, how many students then in the FBC? The students then now where they na Unimark. Now because space not be there na FBC and Jala? Not to that. Now because Kuruma na a tribalist, Kuruma na a regionalist, Kuruma just want for build a university na the north. And that no bad make not feel to say, oh no, me na a man of education, trust me. Me na a professor, so I lack education. But the thing is, why we forget another university when one day die? When FBC they die, you they go build new university. You go continue for maintain that university there. Why Kuruma not be put more effort for bring up FBC, for modernize FBC, for make FBC become competitive with other universities now West Africa normal self, Legon, University of Ghana, Nkrumah, University of Technology. Why you don't do things like that? For make you be competitive with them. At least or better pass them. Legon, na Nigeria. Nsukka. But oh no, King Columbus get forget your university. After he don't go, or after he don't die, whatever happened to the university, he not care. I don't mind, I like that. It's a good thing. But what it mean feel to say Koroma be for do, if not only because of tribal and regional division, it be for bring up FBC force, or it make an extension of University of Sierra Leone, na Makeni. Let them still be one university. Now that it be for do. Instead of build a whole independent university. How much money Koroma be used for put up new buildings and then in the day? Where you not do for FBC? Where you not able even put paint for paint them buildings there? For put cement or quota na the campus? Anyhow, I don't talk too much. But me people there. March 27, when let we vote for change, when let we vote for make Salone better, when let we vote for make we begin to get education, when let we vote for make the economy improve and change, when let we vote so that Salone economy go there inside the hands of Sierra Leoneans. We know today, they say Chinaman, they don't control we economy now under Koroma because Chinaman, they don't pay Koroma under the table and this and that for make them they run the businesses at the expense of we people them. Do ya me people them? Una vote SLPP. Now the only salvation right now we Salone get, where we all get for we picking them future. Otherwise, now one party state dictatorship una go vote for if una vote for APC. Do you have vote for SLPP and Madabio? Thank you.